independent states and would also provide a philosophical foundation for the Articles of Confederation. There is also the Virginia Declaration of Rights, which conveyed popular political thoughts and governing ideas during the Revolutionary time period that were expressed in the Articles of Confederation. The material issues from the Articles of Confederation was that it, 1, caused disputes between some states since they could not agree on what land territories each state would get. 2, there were the economic issues. Since the Articles of Confederation made it so that the national government was not able to directly tax any citizen, it would lead to less money for the government. Also, after the Revolutionary War, the states were now in debt, and the nation's credit was damaged, and this led to a lack of foreign investment. Another economic issue from the Articles of Confederation was that it made it so that the states weren't able to trade with foreign nations, and this would lead to even further disputes among some of the states, and would also lead to less economic growth. Another one of the reasons that made it clear that there was an issue with the Articles of Confederation was Shays' Rebellion. Shays' Rebellion shed light on the fact that the government set out by the Articles of Confederation was really weak. Shays' Rebellion took place in western Massachusetts in 1786 to 1787, and was mainly started due to economic issues between the poor farmers of Massachusetts. Since the Articles of Confederation made it not possible for the government to directly tax citizens, tariffs were placed on imports and exports, and the farmers were struggling due to these tariffs, and they weren't getting the full money from their crops. And they were tired of these tariffs, and they were in debt because of them. They also felt like they were not being fully represented in government, since the higher-ups in government were not like them, and they did not understand the struggles that they were going through from these tariffs, and so they wanted to rebel. The rebellion was a series of protests against the higher taxes, and they were able to take control of 4 towns in the western countryside of Massachusetts. These towns were Springfield, Armory, Worcester, Northampton, Pelham, and Pelham. In these towns, they shut down the courts so that they could prevent debt collection, and Shays' Rebellion mainly highlighted problems with the government and how weak it really was, and was able to show the government that the Articles of Confederation was not it did not set up a good central government. The philosophy for the Articles of Confederation were to create unity and a national government. And the reason they decided to create this national government with unity was because they wanted to defy the crown, because the crown was what they had known their whole entire lives. So they wanted to create a unified nation that they were able to do this. And actually, in the Articles of Confederation, John Dickinson wrote the United States, which is where we got our name from. And so this was the background, and this was the reason that they wanted to create the Articles of Confederation in order to create unity throughout all the states. The short-term effects of the Articles of Confederation were that they had no central government, which meant they weren't able to fund the military because they weren't able to have certain people. They could only ask the states for money. Because of this, there was a rebellion because the veterans and the people in the military were mad that